Hi, this is James from Denmark. Today I show you our new type 3000 kilowatts laser cleaning machine. This one, and you can, it's designed very beautiful and it's just blue and white color. Now let's show you the main parts. Open the window. This is a 3000 kilowatt, 3000 watts recursive source. And here is a toolbox and some spare parts inside. And this is the control board. Okay. And the second part is the laser cleaning head, the carrier, and it's very lightweight and it's very comfortable to hold. You see, it's very tight. And the cable is about 20 meters long. So it's very long. You can reach very far as you wish. Just where you enlarge your just area you're working. And this one inside is a chiller, water chiller. You can see the fan is very big. And you can see the back of the machine. This is the input of the water, and this is the power line and the gas pipe here. And this machine is 380 watts power, and you can see the control box inside. You can see the control board. Yes. Okay. Now I will try using this machine. I show you how to use this machine. So first, let's just turn on the main switch here. Okay. So the power is on, and also this source and the water chiller is also power on, and then I turn on the water tank. Okay, water. And this is our control board. You can see many parameters here, and this is you can see the power, and you can change the language. Yes, main language, and we change to the English. Okay, so you come back home. This is laser power. You can just input what you want, like 2000 watts. And this is the laser frequency and duty cycle, and also the galvanometer frequency and the spot size. Also, you can change here. Yes. Okay. Now let's just start using this machine. First, we need to put on our safety glasses. And then we turn this on. Right here. And take off the cover of the cleaning head. Take it off. And there is the red light. Now I show you the effect. Okay, so after we finish the work, we need to first just put on the cover of the cleaning head. And put back the cleaning head. Then we take it here. Okay. Then we turn off the water tank. and turn off the key switch. So this is how we just finish working this 3000 watts laser cleaning machine. And if you need any inquiries, please contact us.